Hey everyone! In this video I'll show you how to fix the selection is locked error in Microsoft Word. Sometimes when you try to type or edit something, Word won't let you, and you see that message, this modification is not allowed because the selection is locked. Don't worry, it's an easy fix, and I'll show you step by step how to unlock it. Alright, first, close Microsoft Word completely. Now, go to your Word installation folder. You can do this by right-clicking on the Word shortcut, or find out it by searching and right-click on it. And selecting Open File Location. When you're here, click on Word again and go to File Location. Once you're there, click on Microsoft Office. Then open the Office 16 folder, or it might say Office 15 or Office 17, depending on your version. Inside that folder, look for a file named OSPPREARM. Now, right-click on that file and select Run as Administrator. Once you do that, Word will reset its activation settings, and the selection lock problem should be gone. That's it, super easy and quick. Now you can type and edit again without any issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.